Welcome back to my channel, another game. Okay, boys, 7, baby. Emirates, baby. Okay, nice. Let's do it. And I think there's venture ahead from GR. Any person standby? Okay. Chian. Yes, what up, please? Dudu Max, Beard, Steve, and Zero from Global Chat. The rescue team has left for destruction in the big Roxford, that's it. Descend? Bro, I'm on 3,000 feet. I cannot descend that quickly. You're running. I cannot land properly on GR, bro. Why did you pick a GR, bro? Not first. Okay, I'm slow. Set my. Wait, I put my. Okay, engine set to 50. Wait, is it that too low? Flap speed 5. Oh, no, that's low. That's too low. I'm gonna try to land this thing. This is actually pretty hard with the back. I know where am I heading. Okay. Learn it first. Okay, I'm gonna leave this global chat. I cannot descend to 200 feet. I am flat set, friend. Okay, I cannot. Okay. I'm gonna approach. Now what I'm gonna approach this? I'm gonna head to the mountain. Set my flap. Set my speed to 75. I'm gonna approach. I'm gonna head. Whoa. Where's wait, where am I using? Yeah, I'm using 7C, I think. Yeah, this is so confusing. Um, 7C. Oh yeah, 7C. Emirates 8520 requesting to land runway 7C. Why are you supposed to say affirmative? Like, affirmative means yes. Kaya na ka, aviation group, bro. What the freak? What the freak? What the hell? Ano here, bro? Anyways. Okay, this approach. Whoa, wait. I cannot descend this mountain ahead, bro. I will crash into the mountain, bro. This mountain is called Mountain of Poop. Yeah, those time, baby. Are you different? The mountain. Yeah. Anyways, where's this approach? Here. Wait, who's this? Who's Team Gertal 4? Who's that, bro? Is here to win, no, bro? I'm just. Who said pick Duck Whitey, bro? Who said you, bro, have no more friend slots? I have 1,000 friends. I cannot accept. Sorry. I stare into the mirror. Repeat till what I'm approaching minimums. 25. 1,000. 100. Bankable. Beep. Engine 1. Okay, this wrong approach, bro. Wrong approach. This phone actually sucks, bro. I'm only seeing white things. Now what I'm hit. Wait, why do I have crosswinds actually? Okay, okay, my phone sucks. runway. I'm turning around. Turning around. Turning around. Turning around. Turning around. Again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Failure, 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 failure. Yo, failure. Controls. Controls. I have a control failure. But I'm turning around the problem. I ran out of hydraulic fuel. Can someone give me hydraulic fuel? Oh, I'm banking calling. Yeah. I'm about to crash, bro. Bro, wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay, disaster comes. You know what? You know what? We're going to Cyprus. This is that's better than this. That's better. Okay, do Cyprus. We're heading to Cyprus. Let's go. Let's go feel hot. Donna. Okay, I'm turning around. Wait. I'm gonna disable this alarm. Beep. Okay, tap. I'm gonna descend to 4,000 feet. Why is it this 3,000 feet? How do I descend? This. Thank you. Descend, bro. I'm stand by. Yeah. No, yeah, my face is okay. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so okay, this plane sucks, bro. I cannot see properly. I'm only seeing white and dust dots. Can someone give me directions? UITC, give me directions to the runway 7C. Wait. What's up? Is it up 7C? Give me directions to 25C. Okay, give me where am I heading? Okay, whoa, slowing down, spin all the way. And this time you look so ugly. This is not your time. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, I hate this plane. I hate I hate this damn airport, bro. I hate this damn airport. That's properly for me, bro. I'm running, man. Now what? I'm landing on another one way. This is so dumb. I actually hate this airport. If I can't land, I'm crashing to the ocean, bro. Anyways, approaching minimum 600. Oh, I'm starting again. Okay, I'm not about to rage. Okay, landing. Approaching minimums. Okay, I'm listening. Okay, I'm seeing it. 3,500, 1,500, 400, 300, 200, 100, 200, 300, 200. Approaching minimums. Too low terrain. Too low terrain. Up. Too low. Yeah. Okay, I'm starting. I hate this plane, bro. I hate this airport. I hate this phone, bro. Saving my phone, bro. Bother. Yeah. Good landing and some problem. Okay. I'm a taxi professionally. What gate am I heading? Wait, where's gate 4? Where's gate 4? Wait. Wait. Hold. Wait. Stop. It only heard my voice the whole time. Damn it. Again. I enjoyed it again, bro. Anyway, thank you for watching. Ching Chong Un is Master Raccoon. Or 1,000 years after crashing into the earth like I'm a heavy fly. I'm a big Steve tomorrow. I'm gonna run you over the brain. I'm a